Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adele. If you're new, welcome. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll know each and every time I upload something. So today I'm going to be trying out the infamous watercolor. So today I have two different colors. One is a pink petal and the other one is purple range. So I think I'm gonna mix them. This one says vegan, cruelty free, and this is 4 floor ounces, and so is this one. This is a semi-permanent. These are semi-permanent colors. And I have my 613. I previously darkened the roots, so I'm going to be using this wig today. So I have my little cup that I'm going to be mixing the colors in. I think I'm going to mix them both together. I'm not sure. And I have my Tresemme conditioner. And also I have this brush, which I usually use to do like bleaching or whatever. So let's get started. Okay, so I already have my bucket of hot water, you know, it's tap water. So I'm gonna take this and this, and after I finish like mixing them up, I'm gonna dip it inside here. The reason why I'm putting it in here first is because I want to mix it with conditioner, and then I'm gonna dip the hair inside the bucket. So I'm pouring it in. It's a really pretty color. So this, I don't know what what color I'm actually looking for, so I'm gonna just play it by ear. So I'm now mixing the purple one, and it looks like it's black, but I don't think it is. I'm trying to do an even amount because I want the colors to like actually like be the same. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pour all of it inside there. So I hope I didn't pour too much water. So I'm taking the conditioner now and I'm putting it in here, and I'm making a mess. Okay, so and then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna mix it. It's really dark. I'm gonna add more pink. More pink. This looks kind of like fuchsia, but it says pink petal, so I'm gonna pour this in the bucket and I'm gonna like mix it with this brush. So I want you guys to actually watch me as I do it and focus on the bucket. Okay, I'm actually pouring it in now. I want the color to work. I don't want it to be like a bright color. I want it to be like even, actually. So I'm mixing it. I didn't pour all of it in there. I still have a little bit just in case I need to pour more, and that's already mixed. So I'm gonna be dipping the hair in a little bit at a time. I really wanted to try this watercolor because I can't see myself wearing the wig like this. So let me take this off. I just tacked down the ear tabs. I didn't tack down the whole wig like people usually do, just the front. This is a closure wig that I made. It's a few months old, but I want to do something different. So, as you can see inside, it just has the straps in it. So, here goes nothing. I try to dip it in a little bit at a time because I really want to see what happens. And I'm kind of excited because a lot of people have been talking about this and I really want to see how it works. I really like the way Lala has a wig and it's like a light purple mixed with pink or something. Hope I'm not saying like it wrong, but I know I seen her with something like kind of like pinkish with purple in it. So I really like that. So I'm gonna try to mimic it, but like my own version. And I also have my towel to like when I take it out, I'm gonna let this sit in here for a second, but I'm still gonna like use my brush to like move things around in there. I want it to be like as even as possible. Look at that. This is so cute. Everybody's doing this watercolor and I'm really trying to keep up with everybody because I want to get my subscriber count up. So guys, just know that I'm really trying. My subscribers dropped tremendously. So I'm trying to get that back up. I've been recording so far every day now and I've uploaded Monday, Tuesday, and also today. I'm gonna take my towel because I want to see the results, and then I'm probably gonna dip it back in and put only pink in the water. It's so pretty. The water's hot. It's not fully like, ooh. Yeah, I made a slight mess, but I'll clean it up. So I'm gonna dry this off. Well, try to dry it off. And while this is sitting, I'm gonna set this on the floor because I don't want to put it on my bed. And now I'm gonna drop just a little bit of this in. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna mix this in, which is very purple. And I have to clean up my mess. And then I'm gonna drop some of this pink in directly into the bowl. Well, the Easter basket, because this is one of my kids' Easter baskets from this year. So now I'm gonna mix this. I just wanna, this is like a, I wanna see what happens type of watercolor. I should have just dropped only the pink in, but I really just wanna see what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna do this often. This is a water wave mink hair, so it's smoking, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but it's smoking. It's really, the water was really hot coming from tap. It was really hot. So if you can see over here, all of it didn't take, but overall, I think it's very pretty. So the bottom took first. I don't know, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna put it in face forward and let the bottom hang out since that already colored. And I'm going to do the Forbidden. I'm going to just add some pink in. And then I'm going to go like this because I really want to get some type of pink in there. Then I want to get the spots that didn't take. I don't want it to be so uneven, but this is just like, what do I say, like a test drive, because I want to see what happens. And by the way, this is really fun. I'm going to put this part in first. I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes. My little ghetto vanity. Now you get to see a little piece of what I did. My ghetto vanity, I was looking at DIYs and I seen a lot of people doing, like, making vanities or whatever. So I just took what I had. I went to the 99-cent store and I purchased these. This is like picture frames. I basically just glued them together and just sat it on top. This is actually two. This is one and this is one. I actually have two more. I don't mind using my hands because, like, what can it actually do? It can't really do anything. It's not bleach or anything. It's so soft. I guess that's why people actually put like conditioner as they're doing it, so that the hair would be like really, really nice. And you don't really know how the color came out until you actually like either blow it dry or let it air dry. But when I finish with this, I'm gonna fix the cut, and then I'm gonna actually I'm gonna blow it out and fix the cut, and then I'm gonna show you guys the outcome. But I'm not gonna pause or anything because I want you guys to see the outcome. I really just wanted to do the top for this one, for this dipping, because the bottom is like pretty much purple. I really, really like it. So I saw Arnell doing this. A lot of people like doing this, but Arnell Armand, I really, really love her channel. So I'm just gonna squeeze this out. I know it looks really messy, but this is my first time trying out the watercolor, so I'm gonna be honest and let you know that I really didn't know what I was doing. So trial and error. I'm gonna tag Lala and see if she likes it, because this is really like inspired by like one of her wigs. So I'm gonna like try to dry this, and then when I come back it's gonna be on the mannequin. So stay tuned. So guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to it, but like as far as like more color goes, but I mean there's still some like blonde in there, so I don't know. The only thing I don't like about this 613 hair is that it's a lot of shedding, but the good thing about it is that it's a lot of, it's very, very soft. And it was soft before I started doing the coloring or whatever. So, cleaning out my comb. So I'm basically gonna let this air dry, and you guys can just stay tuned for part 2. where I blow dry it and try it on. See you guys soon. Later. Love you.